Good morning from Bangkok. Today we're diving into the heart of this incredible city, showing you how to experience its best sights, sounds, and flavors, all without stretching your wallet. Join us on a journey through Bangkok's day-life wonders on a budget. At 7:30 a.m., we start our day at Jock Prince in Bang Rock, where you can savor jock or rice porridge, a traditional Thai breakfast that's both affordable and filling for just around 50 Thai baht. This warm, energizing meal is a favorite among locals and a perfect start to our busy day. By 9 a.m., we're at the Grand Palace and Wat Pho, the spiritual core of Thailand, where for 500 Thai baht you can explore the opulent architecture and intricate details that narrate tales of a regal past. Each wall and spire here has a story waiting to be told. Just 10 minutes away lies Wat Pho, home of the gigantic reclining Buddha. It's a sight of calm contrasting with the busy streets outside, offering a more serene atmosphere to reflect and unwind. Discover the hidden spots within Wat Pho, where peace and beauty await beyond the beaten path. At 12:30 p.m., it's time for lunch in the vibrant lanes of Chinatown, a culinary paradise where dishes like Khoi Jab and Pad Thai range from 40 to 100 Thai baht. Every bite here tells a story of tradition and flavor, crafted over generations. After lunch, we lose ourselves in the vibrant alleys of Chinatown, exploring its gold shops, herbal medicine stalls, and resplendent temples. Each corner of this bustling district offers a new discovery. At 3:30 p.m., we catch the Chao Phraya River Express to Fraarthit, a scenic and budget-friendly route for just 15 Thai baht. This river winds through the life of Bangkok, past modern skyscrapers and ancient temples alike. This river cruise offers a refreshing perspective of Bangkok. Our next stop is Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, renowned for its stunning ceramic decorations that gleam under the setting sun. As the sun sets, Wat Arun lights up in a breathtaking display. There's no better place in Bangkok to end your day. As evening falls, we're at Asiatique for dinner. This vibrant night market offers everything from Thai dishes to international cuisine, perfect for our final meal of the day. From shopping to dining, Asiatique has it all, ensuring our day in Bangkok ends on a high note. From dawn till dusk, Bangkok has amazed us with its history, culture, and flavors. We explored its majestic sights and sampled culinary delights, all without straining our wallets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss any of our travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.